Hey everybody, and welcome to my house. We are still in full demolition phase because before we can start building it up and making it nice, I have to make sure that everything we don't want is taken out of the house. And one thing that just breaks my head because it's so weird is all of this. And it's even hard to just look at it and understand what is happening. So I think I will make a drawing so you can understand what the problem is. This is the door. Then we have a door frame right here without a door. Then we have a door frame right here with a door that opens like this. Then we have a door frame here with a curtain, because this is the shower. Then there's the wall, this wall. And then we have another door frame right here that, oh shit, yeah, it was right, opens like this. So, 4 door frames in this tiny space. It doesn't make any sense, and we don't want the shower. I don't want this door. We will keep this door, but we might, there's no door in here, so this can go as well. So the plan now is to just basically tear all of this down. So when we're done, hopefully this will open maybe a little bit wider and all the way to the ceiling, very open space. And this will be a cabinet, maybe plywood, maybe something more modern. You can have all your stuff in there. And from the hallway, this is storage as well. So you will have doors for jackets, shoes, all of this stuff. So there will be no mess in the hallway at all. I want this to be as clean as possible. But again, I think we just have to start. Take it step by step. One very useful trick, if you have an extension cord, hold on, I'll show it slower. Do it like this, and then plug it in, because if you trip over the cable, you can't unplug your machine. Boom! Oh. Hier ist direkt Strom. Hier haben wir angefangen. So the original plan to just simply take out this wall and turn it into a cabinet is probably not as easy as I thought. This is a freaking solid wall, probably load bearing. Let's take a look at the other wall, how this is built, and then see what we can do from there. Okay, let's get rid of those panels first. There's a date. They installed it on the 17th of April, 79 at 42 minutes after 3. What? Why would that be important? Probably because it took him 42 minutes to build the whole thing, you know? He started at 3 and he was done 40 minutes later. I'm not surprised. It's just glued and nailed in place. It will take me 2 minutes to take it down. Okay. Did I say it would take me 2 minutes to take it down? Oh Mann, das gibt's doch nicht. Yeah, geil. Okay, so this is a timber framed wall. That means we can take it all down, take a look at it, and see what we can structurally change without compromising the integrity of the house.
Jetzt habe ich wieder richtig Bock.
Alles gut. It's day 2, and after a couple of setbacks yesterday, like discovering that this other wall is not half timbered and probably a little bit more difficult to tear down, we're back in good spirits, ready to tackle the rest of this project, and I hope we can get it done today. Let's go! Still works. Yeah. Whoa. Whoa. Okay. Okay. Now we know. Das nehme ich für die Werkstattdusche. Ja. Geil. The complete house electricity that runs up to the second floor is attached to the wall that we want to take down. But I think we will just peel it off and be careful with it and just let it be where it is and just take down the wall and let an electrician decide what to do with it. Because maybe we will put all of that somewhere else. Let's just take down the wall. I wonder if it's okay to put the shower this close to all the electricity. I think it's a good idea to change all of the setting. Ja, geil! Über den Berg! Ja. It's done! It was so much work, but I can't believe how much improvisation from the previous owner we got rid of. There was like 4 door frames on 1 square meter. Everything was, I don't know, yeah, improvised over 120 years, and we finally cleaned it all out. And also, this is good that we can see all the cables. We need to take care of the electricity for sure. So now we have a good overview and we have a fresh and clean canvas to work with. And that feels so good. And it also motivates me for the next couple of weeks because we have a couple more of those construction sites ahead of us. But this was a really, really good success. I am very happy we did this. Working with an old house and also renovating your own house, every minute spent here connects me more to the house and also sparks new ideas. The details, how do I do this? Will we have cabinet doors that are shaped like the Fachwerk? I mean, that's all stuff that evolves during the build process. So it feels really, really good to work on this house. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as we enjoyed making it, and I will see you next week with a new video. Bye. It's also ironic that I took down the shower and that's the one thing I need now.